So my overarching tip for getting started with Power Apps is, first of all, you do not have to be a computer wizard or a technically minded ninja. This is made for absolutely everybody. So to get started, head across to make.powerapps.com, and once you've successfully logged in, on the left-hand side navigation pane, you'll see a menu item that states Learn, with a ton of learning resources that will get you off to a flying start. Then from then, actually go ahead and start playing with model-driven apps or canvas apps that actually make up Power Apps. And I do mean play. My first app I ever built was a Super Mario app. You can collect the coins, save the princess, the lot. Then from there I thought, probably best to get a little bit more serious. I started building apps to manage financial data, capture expenses, and so much more. Now, another key part and a key tip is actually the Power Apps and Power Platform in general is actually made up of one of the best communities in the world. If you go to Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, there is a ton of people using Power Apps right now, and they are happy to help you. You throw a question out there, they will find you, and they will answer it for you. I look forward to seeing what you create. Thank you.